We've got blueberries on the side of our path.
Come into my lair.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's actually pitch black.
Are we allowed to go to this bit?
It's creaking a lot. I just got told off for saying, oh right, let's make it brew then. She said, what?
We got to go.
We certainly did got to go. We're going to take you with us today as we hike up a redundant log flume. Yes, those theme park rides you went on as a kid, where you came off semi-soaked and screaming in the photo, are real things, and we used to transport logs over long distances and down mountains. Adventure was in the air, with every corner promising nature, covered in the woods, wildlife, there's 2 wrens, they're not happy with us, and landscapes that fill you with awe. And like I said, we were doing it all on a log flume. It turned out to be one of those days that will live long in the memory, so let's go. It's creaking a lot. You scared?
I'm terrified of heights.
Super wobbly. I hope one of these wooden panels doesn't break on the bridge. Look at that one. So one of the funny things we've noticed at the start is Norway's quite a wet country, and these wooden panels are very spongy. It's a little bit scary. You can feel them kind of it's like walking on moss or something. Like they're kind of bending underneath you, and as you can see, every now and again, I guess they must break. And there's nothing but like a big drop underneath you. So let's hope that doesn't happen to us, eh?
Whoopsies!
I'm just going to walk on the new panel. That's insane. I didn't even know there was going to be a steam train. Only in Norway, eh? I found blueberries already. I was like, they look like blueberry bushes, and we've got blueberries on the side of our path. Very sour, they're not ripe, but delicious.
Come into my lair.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's actually pitch black. Hang on. There we go. This tunnel is real cold, isn't it?
It is.
It's really nice and refreshing. I don't know how long it goes, it just keeps going.
It's really dark.
We're on our hands and knees, like the ceiling is right there above our heads. Oh, look at that shiny rock.
Built for logs, not us.
Wow. Built for logs.
Think log.
It's better than bad, it's good. Everyone loves a log. Come on and get a log.
Oh my god, this is terrible.
Are we allowed to go to this bit?
No.
There's light at the end of the tunnel.
We survived!
Oh, I know I've got a very nice layer, but I really should have installed lights. Mysterious woman tying a shoelace. Did you like my song? Thank you. The end of the line. What are you then?
Blackberries.
Blackberries. Are they ripe? No. Is that a train?
It is.
I'm stopping at the station. So, we made it to the top of the log flume.
We did.
What did you think?
Beautiful. Definitely recommend it.
Yes, it's amazing. We found this through a little guide called Wild, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's a series of books which gives you not so touristy places.
That are more on the wild side. So lots of forests, waterfalls, wild swims, good hikes that most people wouldn't necessarily know about.
Yeah. Good places to eat as well.
Yeah, and accommodation as well, so there's some good accommodation on there as well.
Yeah, so we'll leave a link below to the Wild series books, and you can get them for England, Wales, Scotland, Scandinavia.
Loads of places.
Yeah, there's loads. It's really worth checking out if you like adventuring.
Mm-hmm. How are you feeling after your hike?
I was feeling on top of the world for most of the day. It was really good. And then for the rest of the afternoon, we were busy making our next installments for you, our loyal viewers. And now we're driving down the coast quite a lot. And I've been driving for about 45 minutes and not seen one car down these beautiful countryside roads of the wibbly wobbly Norway. How do you feel?
I'm tired. Really tired.
You had to have a nap.
I did need a nap. Look at this. Can I just share something really exciting about some of the food that we got in Germany? Alphabetti spaghetti! How long has it been since you've had alphabetti spaghetti? Best thing ever.